Input crop. In the programming interface, select an input signal, then click the menu button on the right, click Input Crop to enter the Input Crop configuration interface. You can rename the cropped source. X and Y respectively represent the horizontal start of the crop start position and vertical start position. Width and height are the width and height of the cropped part. All these parameters can be modified as you want. The specific meaning is shown in the figure. After setting, click OK. You can see that the cropped input appears under the current input source. The cropped input source can be used as an independent source.